It's more and more important all the time that we have our hands free when we're driving. Many states are passing laws that actually require us to use hands-free equipment. Today we're going to look at President's new Bluetooth microphone. It's actually a push-to-talk button and a microphone in one. It hooks up Bluetooth to your President or other 6-pin radio, and this is a product we're really excited to take a look at. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what we have inside the package. So again, the President BT mic, spelled M-I-K-E. Mike would like that. Kind of like retail card packaging here. All right. Okay, let's take a look at this. Okay, just the back section talks about noise reduction circuit, steering wheel control, support and strap, dongle and battery included. Let's go ahead and take the parts out of the box. Okay, so here is, you can see here, this is the remote. You can see it also has a strap on it for attaching to the steering wheel. You can kind of see how the part is shaped so it can attach flush to your steering wheel, and we'll be doing that here in a little bit. Okay, but here is the microphone itself. Here's the remote push-to-talk button. We have some controls there. Looks like the charging port is right here. Take a look at this, and then here is the Bluetooth adapter plug. It has the 6 pins on the front. You can see that it's going to attach right into the President George radio here, ready to go, so we can test it out. But you can see it's going to attach right in there. Let's go ahead and lay these things out nicely. So there's that. There is the Bluetooth plug. Let's see what else we have in here. Of course, we have the manual. All right. So the President user manual. Charging cord, USB-C charging cord. So this is a USB-C port rather here on the microphone. Retaining clip or other supplies. And that looks to be like all the packaging. So pretty basic. Obviously, this is just an accessory, so it's not going to be a load of packaging. Okay, let's go ahead and hook this up to the George and see what we got. So the dongle, just basic 6-pin dongle. It's going to install right in the front of the George. All right, let's take the mic off. There we go. Let's get the mic out of there. All right, the little groove is facing towards the bottom. You can see it's on. Now, there is a little power switch on the control as well right here. So you need to switch this and you should get an indication. Power on. All right, I don't know if you heard that. It said power on. Okay, great. Connected. Oh, and then it just said connected. There's actually 2 pieces to this clip. There's the, I guess the part with the controls, and then there's the clip that goes around the steering wheel here. I don't know if you guys can see that well right here. So what you have to do is actually just get your fingernail on here right at the end, pull it down to open it up, and it is tight, but there we go, I got it. It just kind of slides right off. I wanted to show you all how the microphone attaches to the steering wheel and interacts with the radio. So I have the President George hooked up in our Lexus LX 470. The dongle's already installed on the radio. Here I have the microphone controls. I wish the push-to-talk button and the 2 channel buttons right there. And then, of course, the steering wheel mount. So let's go ahead and install the steering wheel mount. I'll show you how it goes. It's very, very simple. The mount is, of course, concave for the steering wheel. So just find a nice spot to put it that's going to be close to the hand. Wrap the strap around. And then there's 2 tabs that will retain the strap. Also included in the radio is a little retaining clip, which you just clip on there to retain the strap. Now, you take your control and you just clip it back into the housing here, just like that, and then you can rotate it and kind of get a final alignment. On the bottom, of course, there is the power switch to switch that on. Power on. All right, and it'll pair to the radio. Okay. There it says connected. So it said power on, then connected. So there's two different modes for push to talk on this. The first mode, the default mode, is you'll push the push to talk button once, let off, speak, and then push it again to end your transmission. So you can watch here. Break 04, break 04. This is Pat with Right Channel Radios. Anybody out there? And now we're listening in. Not a lot of action on this channel tonight. You change modes by holding down the push to talk button and then either the up button or the down button here. So, and also these are the channel buttons. So you can see I'm pushing down to change the channel on the radio. Also, this microphone has 5 different noise filter settings. And to change the noise filter settings, you just hold down both the green buttons. NRC level 5. NRC level 4. And that's how you change it, is you just toggle them with the green up and down buttons. Okay, and we're on NRC level 3 there. Now to change between the other push to talk mode, I believe it's this one here. Hold them down together. Okay, that's going to flash red. I think that is the default mode. Yep. So when it flashes red, that's the default mode. And then when it flashes green, you go to mode number 2. Hold those down together. You can see it flashed green. Now I need to hold down the push to talk button to talk. So let's go ahead and do that. Break 04, break 04. This is Pat with Right Channel Radios. And let off. So that's mode number 2. So you can choose which mode you like, whether you want to have to hold down the push to talk button while you speak, or if you just want to press it, speak, press it again to end. So it's a great accessory again for, if your state has strict hands-free laws, this is going to be ideal for CB comms. Thanks for sticking with us through this. If you live in a state that has strict hands-free laws, this is going to really be a common sense accessory for you. If you enjoyed what you learned, please, we would appreciate your business at rightchannelradios.com.